Good day, everyone. I'm Dr. Paul AGBOOLA. I'm here to present our research entitled Empowering Urban Sustainability Through Higher Education, a Strategic Framework for Student-Driven Initiatives at Istanbul Gelisim University. I'm presenting on behalf of other co-authors, such as Dr. Hamad NIA, Dr. ABDULAZIZ Al-Sarif, and Dr. MURAT Arapolu. The introduction for the PowerPoint. University campuses are increasingly recognized as critical regional infrastructure that extend their impact beyond education and research. They influencing socio-economic development, urban innovation, and environmental sustainability. Sustainability in higher education campuses involves a wide range of initiatives that integrate environmental stewardship, social responsibility, economic resilience into campus operation, academic programs, and institutional culture. Also, the integration of sustainable practices within university is essential for several reasons. One, as a center of learning and innovation, universities are responsible for leading by example, fostering sustainable values among students, faculty, staff, and wider community. Also, sustainable operation enhances institutional efficiency, reduce operational costs, and mitigate risk associated with resource scarcity. Also, universities have a significant influence on surrounding ecosystem and communities through sustainable campuses development and outreach initiatives. They can promote diversity, biodiversity, public health, and improve quality. And lastly, the university environment embraces sustainability, strengthening a reputation, helping attract talented students, faculty, and strategic partners who prioritize environmental and social responsibility. The aims of our study, the aims and objective of our study. The aim of this study is to explore the impact of Istanbul Gelisim University sustainability initiatives on student engagement, on camp and campus development, and also examining the barriers, opportunities, and strategies for enhancing this effort. Specific objectives include to propose an integrated framework combining existing practices with innovative, actionable steps to guide sustainable campus development, and also to highlight how strategic planning, collaboration, and innovation can transform university campuses into catalysts for broader urban sustainability. Our review of literature cut across the sustainability in higher education institution, and also we explored the university-driven knowledge cluster and community development, and we try to look at the literature on the alignment of campus sustainability efforts with UN Sustainable Development Goals. And also, this is our study conceptual framework and theoretical underpinning. You can see from the diagrams the flow of our conceptual framework for the study, running from the higher education campus sustainability through objectives. And these objectives links with three main categories. One, higher education campus sustainability. Higher education campus sustainability with UN sustainable development goals. And the third one is stakeholder public participation in higher education campuses. All these lead to study underpinning, which includes quantitative measurement and analysis. And also this led to three main important factors, which number one is higher education campus sustainability, targeting United Nations goals, and stakeholder public participation before it led to the conclusion and recommendation of our studies. Sustainable development goals cut across so many factors or so many areas, which are about 17 goals. And these are graphically represented on this slide. And also the Association for the Advancement of Sustainability in Higher Education are targeted at sustainability tracking, assessment, and rating system for campus level. And these are graphically represented on this slide. Sustainability in campus level also was summarized and presented on this slide also. And talking about the materials and methods. So we exploit Gelisim University as a case study. So we try to look at Gelisim entire framework, and we try to exploit and look at the overall, status of the university. And under the materials and method, we have the quantitative study also. And also these studies, quantitative data involves survey, which provide a comprehensive understanding of challenges and opportunity for sustainability implementation in Istanbul Gelisim University. The framework encompasses various performance indicators such as education, governance, greenhouse gas emission, on-site energy, research, solid waste, travel, water, etc. These indicators were evaluated in light of the data availability to gauge their effectiveness in measuring sustainability outcomes. Surveys were also administered to the academic communities within the campus under the study, aiming to obtain qualitative insight into the community decision to reduce electricity usage, improve energy efficiency, level of engagement in sustainability activities, and their perspectives on challenges and opportunities for sustainable implementation in the university. To collect quantitative data on perception, attitude, and behavior related to sustainability, and a structured questionnaire was administered, like I said, to the major stakeholder, which include the student, faculty members, administrative staff, and technical personnel. Also, the survey employ a purposeful sampling, which ensure representation across the various university demographics and roles. And also, the data analysis involves SPSS version 23, which adopted which led to the contribution of advancement of knowledge practice in sustainable development. That is, we try to exploit using these tools. Also, the descriptive statistics such as mean, frequency, and percentage were used to summarize the survey responses and provide overview of the stakeholder perception and attitude towards the sustainability. These are the result of the respondent demographics. We had the total number of 23 respondents, 223 respondents. And this is the graphical result of the gender and the marital status. Also, we have for the age groups and the university relationship duration. Then we will have affiliation of the respondent with the Gelisim University, affiliation of different faculty within the university, and also the transport mode to the universities. And also we have the result of the factor analysis, which led to the extraction from the questionnaire, and that we have about 7 extractions. And also we use a rotated component matrix to extract all these factors. And in all, we had 6. We have 6 matrix. And also we have total variance explained, which are represented graphically by this slide, where we have stakeholder engagement and communication, innovation and future sustainability potential, sustainable transportation and green spaces within the university, water usage management within the university, waste management satisfaction, and energy conservation practices within the universities. And also we have the ANOVA test results on the, compiled data. And also we have the results which are in column 2 and 3, where we have the F values and we have the P values for all the factors. And also we have the significant level, which are marked by double asterisks, for the factors such as energy conservation practices and for the waste management satisfaction. And also we have innovation and future sustainability potential. And the last one is stakeholder engagement and communication. Discussion. We have a discussion on the objectives. We have one on the student engagement within the student engagement in sustainability initiatives within the college. And also, this significant statistical difference across the cluster means in energy conservation practices, waste management satisfaction, and stakeholder engagement and communication indicate different levels of awareness and participation by the student. And also number two, we have strategic planning for sustainable campus development. This aspect of innovation and future sustainability potential within the analysis reflect the perception of students which have in relation to the university as embedded the sustainability and its long-term planning strategies. And we have number three, the role of collaboration and innovation in encouraging campus sustainability. With the innovation and emotional engagement being recognized, the statistically significant that they do seem to match with the the past study which led to the triple helix model university integrating synergetic roles within industry and government to promote innovation and achieve sustainability. Also, the study result revealed vital set of student engagement within the campus sustainability in the university, which correspond with several strands of existing literature. Also, this led to the discussion on the barriers and opportunity for enhancing sustainability within the campus. So, interestingly, the lack of significant variation in water management, water usage management, and sustainable transportation and green spaces suggests that these areas may be suffering from little feasibility, limited innovation, and other structural constraints. And the last one is integrated framework for sustainable campus development. This study focuses on the integrated framework that combine existing sustainability practices at Istanbul Gelisim University with innovative actionable strategies, which align with the sustainable United Nations Sustainable Development Goal. So this proposed framework, which is represented in Figure 6, is structured around 4 core pillars. The first of the pillars is institutional commitment and governance, and the second one is curriculum and research integration, and the third one is campus operation and infrastructure, and the last one is awareness, engagement, and partnership. Conclusion and contribution. By embedding sustainability into the governance and the curricula, the university can minimize its economical footprint while empowering students, faculty, administrators, and external partners to participate in co-creating sustainable future. By embracing this integrated, data-driven approach, Istanbul Gelisim University positions itself as a model for sustainable in higher education. The synergy of educational collaboration and strategic action empowers students and faculty to address local and global sustainable challenges. This integrated scheme is intended for developing a sustainable campus at the Istanbul Gelisim University, wherein the existing practices and innovation concrete measures are blended with those defined in the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals through 4 pillars interrelated to institutional development towards stewardship, social responsibility in environmental issue. Recommendation. Our study recommends 1 to operationalize the framework following the key recommendation as proposed. 1, form a sustainable committee, comprising faculty, staff, and students to oversee sustainable policy and monitor progress. To launch campus-wide awareness campaign using digital platform, event, and exhibition to promote sustainable habits and practices. And also to implement a waste reduction strategies, including recycling program, composting organic waste, and reducing single-use plastic across campuses. And these are the selected references. Thanks for listening. Thank you.